The reduce function, how reduce function does, what the use of reduce function. So basically in the reduce function we compare the elements of this sequence, or we can say that list or tuple, to get the result from the first two elements, then compare with the third element, and then the result to the next element. So we reduce function works like this. So the syntax of reduce function is reduce function comma sequence. So reduce function syntax is this, and to import the reduce function we need to import the module func tool, and then we can use the reduce function. So here we are taking example to get the max element from the list. For this we will we'll define a method like get max like this, and we will pass the element, and if a is greater than b, then return simply a, else return b. So we have created this method and compared a and b. If a is greater than, return a, and b is greater than, return b. Now here we will pass sequence, we will pass method name here, and it will return get us the value max value. So in filter map function we apply method on the each element of the function, and it will get the each result from the each element. But in this, first it will get two element, compare those or get the result, and apply to the next, and then apply to the next, and the final result we can get by this method. So it will return the final result, and that will be for example, if we counting the max, then it will return the max element from this. So we are going to print max and running this program. So here you can see we get the 55. Same as if we want to add, if we want to get the sum of the element, then we simply just use a plus b like this, and then we run this, then it will return the sum of the element inside the list. So this is the basic functionality of reduce function. Okay, thank you.